Second after the short program, 71.70, roughly 3.5 points behind their teammates.
They certainly have the experience to understand how to skate out of any order. Opening side-by-side triple toes. Right into the double axel, tab toe, double axel. Being able to take that momentum, being in the silver medal spot, which is a spot they've been accustomed to skating into the free program. Opening throw quadruple sow cow. Just wild to the outside and couldn't quite hang on.
We touched on during the warm-ups how they have been able to evolve their program, and a great example was their win at Cup of China. They set personal bests in both the free skate and the
throw quadruple loop. Couldn't get the free leg out in time. But with that technical input is why they were able to put up such big scores in China. But with that high risk and the high reward, sometimes things don't pan out. And missing those two elements back to back is going to hurt their technical score. Little trip on the transition. Split triple twist in the second half of the program.
Yuko Kavaguti and Alexandr Smirnov of Russia. No question they were able to transfer the power and drama and passion of Tchaikovsky to the ice, but you've already said it, Ryan. Those mistakes could prove to be very costly.
And even with the mistakes on the throws, they still get a lot of points because the base value on the throw quads is so high. The thing that's interesting to me, though, is because they're doing 2 throw quads, they do jump right off the bat, then they do throw following immediately. So then the second half of the program starts with the twist and has all of the lifting passes. It makes the program look like it's in segments, like you're eating dinner and you eat the peas first and then the mashed potatoes. So it's a little harder to see the continuity of a run through, but they got through the jumping passes. They were right where they wanted to be, but when you're heading into those throw quads and they like to crawl into them, maybe that's how they're comfortable, but it's a definite break in the program when they slow down that much. But you can see both throw quads are very close. They're right there, and she just doesn't quite have the strength to be able to hang on.
Peng and Zhang, the top score of 193, and the Russians leapfrog over that, 208.02, the best free skate score we've seen as well. That will put them in first, but really it is all about what their teammates and countrymen, Ksenia Stolbova and Fedor Klimov, can do. They will be the last pair to skate and the last pair who can write their own scripts.